guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vine O box. This literally just arrived. I am so excited. I was delighted when I opened the door and saw the package, and the delivery guy was so funny because I was like, oh, yay! And he was like, yeah, I get that reaction a lot when there's wine. Okay, so Vine O is $59.99. I do believe that I have a $10 discount code for your first box. This company sends you a box full of pampering wonderful goodies, as well as 2 bottles of wine. So let's see, I have the Speechless California Merlot, and I have the New Crush Red Wine Blend. Oh, I'm so excited. I love these wines. They're always good. I love having them on hand for when guests come over. Just, you know, if I feel like having a bottle of wine by myself, who cares? Okay, and if you prefer whites, you can always say, please just send me whites, or you can say, send me a red and a white, or, you know, if you're a red lover like myself, you can just get 2 bottles of red. So let's put these over here to display them ever so beautifully while we open this box full of goodies. Aromatherapy bracelet. Is this like wild orange? This must be essential oils, and then what do you like, rub it on the bracelet? How interesting. And it's just a little stretch. This is actually a really cute bracelet. Let me put it on so that you can see it. See, with the blue beads and the brown, I love it. How to use, yeah, place 2 to 3 drops of essential oil directly on wood beads. Breathe in as desired, reapply essential oil as needed. So you just kind of, whoo, that's nice. How fun. Okay, all right, so here is my list of cards that will tell me about all of these things. I love the cards that they send because they really do have a good amount of information, and then they often have special offers down here at the bottom. So if you find something that you love, you can be like, ooh, hey, now I can get 15% off my next order of $25 or more. So that's nice. I love that they have deals like that. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? I'm so excited. Chocolate fudge. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, I'm gonna eat this right now. Oh my word. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my God, you guys, I can't even explain to you how excited I am about this right now. Oh my God, that's good. That's so good. That's gonna taste so good with that bottle of wine over there. I'm so excited. Oh. This is from a company called Pickens Sweet Treats, by the way. Sorry, I got distracted by the fact that there was chocolate fudge in here. I'm like drooling all over myself. Woosh Beauty. It's cruelty-free. That's good. Eyeshadows. Wow, this is some interesting packaging. Okay, so, all right. It's got a little handle on here, but it's just like, whoa. This is fun. Okay, all right. Wow. So it's got quite a lot on here. This is like a full face of makeup. These are cream right here. I don't know what are these like concealers? 2 perfectors is what they call them, but they look like concealers. Some eyeshadows up here, contours, blushes, and like bronzers, I guess. That one's really pale though. Maybe this is just like a powder. It just says blenders. This is really neat. Plus it has this, oh, this actually comes off. Okay, so I like that there's a separator in here, especially because there's cream products. So you can put that down. Oh, pro girl, noun, a woman who supports other women instead of competing with them. Nice, oh, I love that. Okay, cool. And then this little thing has some different eye looks that you can do with this palette. Wow, I'm definitely excited about this. I can't wait to play with it. I've never heard of this company before, but I'm definitely going to check them out because this is quite an amazing all-in-one palette. I love these types of things for traveling, or, you know, throwing in your bag to take with you wherever. I don't know. AfterSpa. It looks like one of those like makeup removing cloths. Yeah, right? Doesn't that look like a makeup removing cloth? I love AfterSpa makeup remover. Awesome. I actually really love these things, and I have one that I got from Ulta that's kind of on its last leg. So this is perfect. It arrived just in time. These work so well. Now, supposedly, I mean, I'm assuming this one is like all the others that I know of that are like this. You can just take off all of your makeup with just water and this, but what I normally do is I use a makeup cleansing oil or a cleansing balm, something like that, smush all my makeup together, and then use this to wipe off all of my makeup, and it works so beautifully. I love it. They're so freaking soft. This is so nice, and it's bright pink. My other one's gray. I love this. How fun. Well, that's super nice. I'm getting a makeup theme here. Oh, is this a cookie? More from Pickens Sweet Treats. Candy cane bark. I just got chills. You think I like my sweets? Oh my gosh, and peppermint. I will eat anything peppermint. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I am so excited. Okay, and then is this a mug? For my wine. Fashionably latte. That's cute. And it's pink inside, or like a corally color. I feel like going and making myself a latte right now. Oh, and it's $9.99 from Hallmark. Wow, well, what an amazing box. I think I got everything. That is so much fun. Okay, let me look through my cards really quickly. All right, so that Woosh Beauty fold out face palette, $45. The Aromatherapy bracelet is $32. The mug, $10 or $9.99. The sweet treats, $10. Makeup remover is $5, and then the wines. So you're the mug, you either get Fashionably Latte or Kiss Today Hello. I like mine. I like the one I got. But they're both super cute. So what with the holidays coming up, you guys, this is like the best gift you could ever give to somebody. Especially, you know, like a woman in your life, like a mom or somebody, because I'm a mom. But anybody I think would really enjoy this. Anybody who likes girly things. This is definitely a girly, you know, you get spa treatments, makeup, things like that, and wine. So I think that this box is an amazing gift. It's also just really fantastic to get for yourself. I always get so excited when I get them because I know they're full of wonderful goodness, and they just make my heart happy. So thank you, Vine O, for sending me this box so that I can share it with you guys. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you'd like to check it out, and don't forget to use that $10 discount code. It's not for me, it's for you. My prize is this fabulous box. All right, well, definitely check out the description box for all of the information. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!